Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Call of Duty Black Ops 7. You got a crashing issues with an error code or without an error code while playing the game onto the battle.net or onto the Steam. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right in the basic step, if you are using battle.net launcher, you will find these add-ons right into the game by going to the settings. Here is the settings. Launch the launcher. When you click on this gear icon, you will find the option of modify install. Click on it and then you will find these options. From here, make sure you uncheck each and every option except the Call of Duty base game and Black Ops 7. After unchecking, apply the changes and then try to relaunch the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, head over to settings menu. In the settings menu, from the left pane, click on the option system and you will find the option of display. Click on it. In display, you will find the option of HDR. Go ahead, click on the option HDR, and if you have turned on the HDR, make sure you turn it off. After turning off the HDR, go ahead and relaunch the game and the issue will be fixed. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step, first of all launch the game and you need to head over to its graphics settings. In the graphics settings, you will find the option of display. Select the option display and under the display mode, do not use this particular full screen exclusive mode. Either use Windows mode or borderless mode, but I highly recommend to use only Windows mode right in the display mode. Save the changes and play the game and the issue of game crashing while playing it will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.